Welcome RMTech CCNA Practical Labs. In our previous lesson, we will learn how to make configuration SSH on the router. But in this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration SSH on the router. So, SSH is a secure and encrypted network protocol that provides a much more secure alternative to Telnet for a remote access and control of computers and servers. Its key advantages include strong encryption, authentication, secure file transfer, remote command execution, tunneling, and flexibility across different platforms. So to start in our configuration, we will take in this following steps. First, we will assign the router. We will assign the IP address, router, and the PCs. In our next step, we make the configuration, host name, IP domain name, and line VTY SSH. In our last step, we will testing the SSH from the host to the router. So come this router and we will give the IP address no enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 192.168.3.1 255.255.255.0 and then no shutdown. So okay, come this PCs or hosts and we will assign the IP address. So 192.168.3 we will start in our IP address. So 3. So and then we will write in here the default gateway on the router 192.168.3.1 or the IP address on the router. So come this another PC and select desktop 192.168.3.4 192.168.3.1. This last PC, okay, 192.168.6. Sorry, .3.6. Okay, 192.168.3.1. So in our next step, we will test the PC can ping the router or not. So come this PC and select CMD ping 192.168.3.1. It's the IP address of the router. As you see in here, they can ping. So come this another PC and try to ping 192.168.3.1. So and also this PC it can ping and come this last PC and test it can reach or not 192.168.3.1. So and also it can ping. So in our next step we will make the configuration host name, IP domain name, and line VTY SSH. So on the router. So click the router. Okay. Exit. Host name RMTech. Okay. IP domain name Cisco or google.com cisco.com. Okay, username admin password is Cisco. Okay, crypto key generate RSA 1024, the model number of 102. Then we will assign line VTY 015 login local transport input SSH and save your configuration. Do right. Now we finish the configuration SSH. So in our next step was testing the SSH from the host to the router. So come this PC and select the CMD and you will write SSH. We will test in our SSH -l, the admin name, the username admin, and the IP address on the default router or the router 192.168.3.1. As you see in here, it asks the password. In our password was Cisco. In our password was let me check. Okay. Okay, username was admin. Yeah. Username is copy and come this PC. Okay. SSH -l. Okay. Bust 192.168.3.1 and the password is Cisco. As you see in here, we are the inside in our switch. So come this another PC and select the CMD SSH -l. In our username was admin and the IP address on the router 168.3.1. It asks the password and the password was Cisco. So we are inside on the switch. So we will pass enable. Okay. Okay. Exit. We will come this PC and we will test SSH -l. In our username is admin and the IP address 192.168.3.1. So in our password was Cisco. And so we are the inside on the switch. So in here we finish how to make configuration SSH. So thank you and we will see you in the next class.